Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in CATIA tutorial, today we are going to practice our slot command, which is this icon. It is similar to the ribbon command which we have used in the previous video. So it is just removal of a material like pad, like this one, pocket command along a path. In the ribbon command, we have used ribbon to make add material along the path, and in this we will remove the material along the path. So for the first example, I will make a pulley which and in which I will tell you how we use this slot command. So let's start without wasting our time. I have already opened the part mechanical part module in this CATIA sketch on this plane, making two circles for the pulley. To exit. Now pocket this one. I am going using mirror extend. Okay. Now in the pulley there is a slot, or you can say there is a groove inside the center. For that I am choosing this plane and make circle there. I will make two circles. This mirror about or mirror about horizontal axis. This and exit. Now again I am taking this plane, sketch over it. Now exit. Here we have the slot command we will use. First we need to choose the profile, that is this one, and then the center curve, that is a path along which this profile will move, is this, and okay. Now you can see here we have a pulley. You can see I make those outer circles just to make this groove, this detailing part. If you can see like this, here I have a little curve, and this is the whole part. This is how this slot command is used. To here I have used for making a pulley, and further we can use an other things like the threads of the screw is also made through this only with the help of slot command. Let's practice something more. Make it 3D. On this plane I'm going to sketch exit, pad it, 20 is enough. On this face sketch and I am removing this extra part. Then just I will just close this figure and exit. Now I will sketch over this plane, taking this line like this and exit the sketcher. Now again, slot command. This is the profile and this is the center curve. Now, okay, you can see it. Here we have the groove or a cut along the path we have selected or we have made like this. Like designer tables and design some designs which have grooves, engraved, we can use slot command over there to make those engraved parts like this. And for another example, our piston of a piston engine has some rings over its near its head. Over there we can also use this groove. Let me show how. First I am deleting all these, making it into asymmetric groove. Over this plane I am going to sketch the profile of the piston. I'm taking 3-point arc like this, and then the sketch. Hello. And exit. Now I will use the shaft command about this axis and okay. This is how our piston shape is, and the thing which we have not made there or near the head here we have three grooves there. So for that I am taking this plane and sketch over there. For that I am just zooming it in. Here we need a two grooves or three grooves. So for that I am taking a rectangle and make a small rectangle there like this and escape it. Now over the top plane I will sketch a circle there. From here we have circle from the center to this and exit. Now again slot command, select this profile and this is the center curve and okay. Now you can see near the head we have three grooves. It is not visible. I'm zooming in. Here we have three groups. I can rotate it. You can see this like this. This is how this load command is used. Wherever there is some groups or something like that, you can use the fillet command, this load command. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Hope you got it what I am trying to tell you or teach you, and everything is clear till now. We will meet in another video in the with some new commands. So thank you very much.